You searched how to buy shares of BHP Group Ltd, a major global resources company focused on mining and raw materials listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker BHP.L. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. You need a broker to trade. We will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and type the ticker BHP.L to find the London Stock Exchange listing. Select the result that clearly displays the LSE PLC listing to locate the correct share. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it's BHP Group Ltd. Check the exchange label and the BHP.L ticker to ensure you have the right security. Tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it reopens. If your account lacks sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can complete the purchase. After execution, you will see the new position in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is included in the description if you want to visit the platform.